Sweet, sweet story, sweet, sweet story, story with Saran.
Finding purpose of life. On a New Year Eve, in a dense forest, a cute baby bear was born. The baby bear asked, "What is the purpose of my life?" The Lion King got inspired with the baby bear's question. He took New Year resolution to find the purpose. After a while, the baby bear went to take bath in a jungle river. The baby bear couldn't swim properly. Suddenly, a big crocodile came near the baby bear and asked, "Are you struggling to swim, bear?" The frightened baby bear thought, "Is this the purpose of my life? To become meal for one big crocodile?" The crocodile took the baby bear in its back and left it in the riverbank. The baby bear felt relieved and said, "Thank you." Next, the baby bear went to drink some honey, but it couldn't reach the beehive, which was high in the tree. A mischievous monkey was sitting on that tree watching the baby bear. It asked, "Hey, baby bear, do you need honey?" The baby bear said yes. The monkey was about to touch the beehive. The baby bear thought, "Oh no, if the monkey disturbs the beehive, all the bees will come to sting me. Is this the purpose of my life? To give stinging practice to hundreds of busy, angry bees?" Suddenly, the baby bear heard a loud thump. The monkey had thrown the beehive far away from the baby bear. All the honeybees went in a different direction. "Enjoy," smiled the monkey. The baby bear smiled thankfully and drank the delicious honey. The baby bear was returning back to her home, but she got caught in a hunter's net. The frightened baby bear shouted for help. The Lion King came by that way. The Lion King said to the baby bear, "This reminds me of a mouse friend who helped me when I got caught in a hunter's net." The baby bear said, "Is it? Call that rat immediately." The Lion King said, "Oh, he left the jungle long back." The worried baby bear said, "Oh no! Am I going with the hunter to live in a zoo to entertain thousands of humans? Is this the purpose of my life?" The king smiled and said, "Now I understand the purpose of my life. Just like how the rat helped me with what it was good at, I'm going to do the same to you." Telling this, the Lion King used its super sharp claws and broke the hunter's net. The baby bear got free. The hunter came close with another net to catch both of them, but the lion roared loudly. The hunter got scared hearing the loudest roar ever and ran away. Hearing this, the jungle animals came there. The Lion King announced, "Friends, the purpose of our life is to do good to others with whatever we're good at." The baby bear smiled and asked, "Lion King, what am I good at?" All the animals got thrilled. The lion smiled and said, "When we do anything which comes naturally to us and what we would love to do during our free time is what we're good at." And baby bear, I know you are good at asking questions. The baby bear told, "Oh king, then you are good at finding answers." The monkey told the crocodile, "You spotted baby bear at the right time. You are good at observation." The crocodile replied back, "Oh monkey, you are good at giving appreciation." All the jungle animals started celebrating the new year with the loud crackers of laughter. They let their friends know what they are good at and exchanged compliments like New Year gifts. So friends, always remember to help others with what skills you are good at. Fun fact time! Do you know there are 8 different species of bear? North American black bears, brown bears, Polar bears, Asiatic black bears, also known as moon bears due to the white crescent moon shaped marking on their chests. Andean bears, panda bears, sloth bears, and sun bears. Parent tips. Parents' purpose is to nurture, guide, and love children. To guide them right, listen actively without interruption. Find what your child is good at by writing answers to below questions. What makes your child laugh and smile? What do they get excited about? What do they spend time doing the most? What do they usually work hard at doing? Happy parenting!
Like, share, subscribe.